everyone. It's me, teacher Eyad. And today we'll talk about there is and there are. There is used for singular, while there are used for plural. And we use there is and there are to indicate that something exists. For example, there is a hotel this way. Or we can say, so there is used for singular, one hotel. There is one hotel. Where this way. Let's make the same sentence plural. Plural means 2, 3, 4, like this. We say, for example, there are hotels, or there are 2 hotels, that way. So there is a hotel and there are hotels. There is a bank and there are banks, or we can say some banks or many banks. Now let's make a question. When you want to make a question, we have to switch around. There is become is there, like this. So the question becomes, is there a hotel near here? Is there a hotel near here? And the answer, yes, there is. This is short answer. Or yes, there is one. Or in the negative, we say, no, there isn't any. And in the plural, if we ask in the plural, are there any banks? Are there any banks around here or near here? We say, yes, there are. Or also we can, yes, there are some. Or yes, there are many. We use some and many when we do not know the exact number. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Goodbye.